Step 1. To create your dream closet, choose a spare room in your house or a large area inside of your bedroom. I chose a small room that we have in the house. This room was being used like a little dump area. We were just storing a lot of junk in here and it was not being used for anything. So I decided that I was gonna build my own walk-in closet inside of this room. I had some raw iron bars made, and since the walls are made out of concrete, we attached them to the walls. I also put some wood floors, painted the whole entire room, and put this little nice chandelier for a touch of glam. Step 2. Clean the entire room before you put the furniture and clothing. Step 3. Go through all of your clothing and donate whatever does not fit you or whatever you have not used in the past year. Step 3. Position all the furniture inside of the closet to use as clothing dividers and to recreate a modular system. As you could see here, I already positioned all of the furniture inside of my future walk-in closet. Now the bookcases are going to be used to store shoes, and they will also serve as dividers. The drawer systems are going to be used for storing clothing and other accessories, and this way I think that I have created an effective system that I will be able to have my whole entire closet by categories and very well organized. This section here was behind the door that was in this room. I took this door out so it wouldn't block this. I had some shelves made and I had some decoration tile put on them, and in here I will also be storing shoes. Step 4. Arrange your clothes inside of the closet by categories and use labels to divide the clothes. This area here is on the right hand side of my closet, and this is what I would like to call my winter section, my fall and winter section. In here I have all of the long sweaters, all of the winter jackets, all of the coveralls, all of the blazers. Anything that is for the winter I will be hanging in this section right here. There you go, this is my winter section and everything is neatly organized and I just love the way that it looks. In this little corner here, it's a little space, I have my dirty hamper. This is the bookcase that is dividing one section from the other one. In here I will be storing all of my booties as well as my boots. Like I told you, this is my fall and my winter section of the closet. This section here is also on the right hand side of my closet. As I told you before, I would like to call this section my fall and my winter section. In here I am storing all of my turtlenecks, I'm also storing all of my sweaters, and I am also storing all of my shirts which are long sleeves. As you could see, everything is neatly organized into one area. This here is the left side of my closet. This section I would like to call it my spring and summer section. In here I am hanging all of my casual dresses. Well as all of my dressy sets, and I say dressy sets because I'm coordinating clothes that I buy at the store, and obviously sometimes we see clothing in the store that is represented as a set. It has the pants and it has the coordinating shirt, or it's a skirt and it has a coordinating shirt. So I have bought sets and I'm hanging all of my sets here. So in this section I am going to have my casual dresses as well as my dressy sets. here is a bookcase, and this bookcase is dividing one section of the closet from the other section. In here I will be storing my spring and my summer shoes. I'll be storing all of my open shoes, my heels, my pumps, everything that is for the spring and for the summer I will be storing inside of this bookcase. Here is a cube organizer that I bought from Ikea, and on the first section I will be organizing all of my jeans. On the second section I will be organizing all of my sweatpants. And on the two bottom cubes I will be organizing all of my shorts. Next, I am adding these beautiful flowers, and this is for decoration and for a touch of glam. On top of this dresser, I will be adding my jewelry box as well as the case that holds all of my watches. Next, I will be adding a tray that has my sunglasses and a plant for decoration. This is the area that used to be behind the door, which we took out. As I told you earlier, I had some shelves built in with drywall, and these shelves are gonna be for me to store purses and shoes. Like I told you, this is my spring and my summer section. So the shoes that will go in here are going to be my sandals and all of my sports shoes. The last thing that I will be doing to this section is adding this little stool that you see here. In here I sit down to take my shoes off and also to put my shoes on. And to finish off this section, I will be adding to this bookcase 2 extra purses for decoration, and so it won't be empty. And this section here is the wall at the entrance to the closet. It's not to the right and it's not to the left. It's like in the center of the closet. In here I am hanging all of my t-shirts and all of my short sleeve shirts. I made my own DIY labels, which will be dividers for my clothes, so I can organize my closet by categories. To make these labels, I am using foam board and I am using a candle to make the round shape as you see it here. Now make sure that your foam board is a little bit thick so it will not break and it will not fall apart. You will use a utility knife and you will also be using a cutting board so you do not puncture and you do not scratch any surface that you're working on. Once you have cut your circle, make sure that you use some sandpaper to take all the rough edges off. I made some labels in my computer in Word, and not that I'm gonna use all these labels, but I like to have them, and I will be putting them on the circles, and I will be using them as clothing dividers in my closet. This is the final reveal. Now let's have a look at what my walk-in closet looks like. I love the way my closet looks like now. Everything is neat and organized. Everything is separated by sections, like if it was a modular system, and everything is organized by seasons and by categories. I went from having no closet at all to having a beautiful walk-in closet. This is a proof that anybody can build their own closet if they want to. If you have a little room or if you have a little space in your house, you can build yourself your dream closet and make it as beautiful as your imagination can go. Just remember one thing: if you can imagine it, you can build it. It takes a little bit of hard work because you have to sit down and you have to plan how you're going to put the divisions, what kind of furniture you're going to buy, if it's going to be an actual modular system, or if it's not in your budget and you want to do it budget friendly, just the way that I have done it, going to Ikea and buying little dressers and little bookcases to serve as dividers. Like I said, anybody can do this. It's just use your imagination, and if you happen to have a little open space in your house, go ahead and build your own dream closet. Now, I would love to know in the comment box below if you have ever built yourself a closet. What do you think about this closet? And if you're willing to build yourself a closet in your house. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. You're free to share this video with your family and your friends, and thanks for watching.